Welcome to qnawire.
First thing I would recommend doing is writing a matrix equation. So we have the coefficient matrix 2i sub 1, 0i sub 2, 4i sub 3, 0i sub 1, 1i sub 2, 4i sub 3, 1i sub 1, 1i sub 2, negative 1i sub 3. Those are your variables, and they equal the constants. And in this case, E1 is 14, E2 is 28, 0. So we're going to call this matrix A. This is like a variable matrix, and matrix B. Now when you're solving an equation and you have A times X equals B, you take the inverse of A and multiply it with B. So we get just I1, I2, and I3. If we go to a calculator, you can do this on a handheld as well. I'm on the Desmos matrix calculator. And we have a 3x3 matrix that we're calling the coefficient. Again, it'd be 2, 0, 4, 0, 1, 4, and 1, 1, negative 1. We've got matrix B as 14, 28, 0. And then we would calculate A inverse B, and we get negative 3, 8, 5. Those are the different current